Many consultants and building owners want data analytics on their facilities operations, especially as the amount of data building managers are able to generate continues to increase. Bolt-on software packages definitely promote analytics, but they're often wide in scope and fail to address specific problems. For building managers, the integration of HVAC, lighting, and access control systems can be beneficial, but interoperation is insufficient to ensure building sustainability. Now, synthesizing these elements with actionable data analytics is absolutely crucial to efficient operations. Now, choosing to subscribe to a third-party analytics provider can be complicated, and that can be a complicated decision with multiple options. One-size-fits-all analytic programs do exist, but no two facilities are identical, and the customized solutions that are available are often prohibitively just expensive. When building owners seek analytics, they don't often know what's wrong with their built environment or even how to improve it. I mean, they of course rely on manufacturers and service providers to learn what needs to be done. When you see a doctor or a physical trainer, you benefit from their knowledge and experience. In the same way, a building automation system should provide building managers with all the tools they need to maintain their facilities in optimal health. Analytics should, at a minimum, help you manage and optimize your facilities. Building analytics provide insights about equipment and system performance, energy use intensity, occupant satisfaction, potable water consumption, indoor air quality, and just so much more. And much can be done with this information. Now, analytics are a business tool that helps you forge sustainability in the built environment. Building professionals should demand ownership of their data, especially assurance of information integrity, and have just unfettered access to their data to independently investigate the results of that data collection. Intelligence that is easy to access and understand can be a compelling factor when choosing any analytics solution. For example, using real-time data for fault detection and diagnostics is a highly integral analytical process to ensuring facility optimization. Analyzing system performance is absolutely vital to identifying just suboptimal performance long before a system has even failed, before an occupant, a student, a patient is impacted as a result of that failure, or before the mission of the entire organization is hindered. Integrating fault detection and diagnostic compatibility at the controller level, rather than using a supervisory system, ensures a much higher degree of system resilience and, of course, flexibility. Now, by coupling FDD with an easy-to-use graphical interface that immediately notifies operators in a visually obvious and intuitive way, these performance issues can be identified and corrected. Analytics should empower you to understand the health of your built portfolio and detect and even prioritize responses when faults occur, and help you to root cause everything equipment and with system problems. With RC Studio and RC Graphics Set, and at least one mock system controller running version 8 firmware or higher, you can create an integrated fault detection and diagnostic interface for any backnet control system, be it a reliable control system or even a competing backnet control system. Enabling real-time fault detection means that you can immediately respond to just suboptimal faults or failures. IFDD provides optimized systemized performance, it minimizes operation issues, it improves occupant comfort, and a reduction in energy consumption and even costs. Even when equipment is working, opportunities exist to enhance energy performance. Beneficial analysis of system operations allows you to identify where and how to reduce consumption and, of course, costs to fine-tune occupancy and set point adjustments. Simply put, IFDD is good for your financial and environmental bottom lines. What differentiates reliable controls from other data analytics providers is that our products allow stakeholders full control over data gathering, formatting, and of course delivery without the burden of restricted licensing or copyright requirements, so you can quickly turn information into action while retaining full ownership and control of your data. Data isn't stored on a server or in another country or owned by a third party. It's simply yours. RC Archive ensures that your historical building data is available to you anywhere, anytime. RC Reporter allows you to extract intelligence from your building data and to discover those actionable insights into your building management system. Data analytics are essential for green building managers who want to minimize their carbon footprint while prolonging the life of their building equipment. Analytics allow you to follow your building performance trends over time to expand the capabilities of your reliable control system.